Bike check 2017.
Alright, this is my bike. I am riding for Crut BMX. Yeah, I'll start getting to my bike. I'm riding Stranger Grips with Primo Rebar 10 Rise, Sunday Free Stem, Odyssey Forkable, Odyssey Race Forks, Stranger Balllast 2.45 tires, Mission wheel set with dope rims. I'm not even kidding, it says dope right there. Fit Wi-Fi frame, Fiend headset, Primo oil slick sprocket on a Primo chain, Salt 8 spline cranks with, I want to say it's a Fiend bottom bracket, Odyssey twisted pedals, premium seat, pivotal. I've kind of been with this bike for a while. You'll be seeing this bike in a lot of videos. Trying to think if I'm missing anything. What am I missing?
I don't actually think you're missing anything.
I don't know, I'm trying to think.
Just do like this kind of view on the bike.